I mean, we put this here for the community. We built it to help build community, to bring people together. My name is Kalif Gordon. I'm the owner of Second Amendment Guns. If you want to shoot on an indoor, environmentally controlled, safe area, Second Amendment is where it's at. We are a one-stop shop. We don't only have the indoor shooting range, we have retail, we have training, we have gunsmithing, we sell guns on consignment bases, we buy used guns. Second Amendment is not just a retail where we're just looking at only making money. Our premise was to connect the community, to train them on safety, and we're fortunate to be here to serve the community. And we couldn't have done that without MILO and the help of Jay Cook. Maintenance is very easy. The trap system is amazing. We don't have to shut down and mine stuff. It all falls down into a 3-gallon bucket. The maintenance on this can take you less than an hour. We do it in-house because it's very simple. We don't have to hire an outside company to come in and mine our traps and spend all of that expense. We can use that income on some other things in the range that we need to take care of. To keep up, we just look at the knife edges, and if there's any penetration with the knife edges, we can file it down, grind it down so that they stay nice and sharp to deflect the bullet coming through to go to one trap or the other. Second Amendment is a veteran-owned company. Me, myself, I'm a veteran, and so we do look to hire veterans as well. This was one of the establishments that we put on property. We thought it was a very, very necessary thing to put. So behind me, we have a huge Purple Heart where Purple Heart recipients can come and sign the Purple Heart, hang out at the bar, just a place where they can just get together, or they just want to sit in peace and remember all of their soldiers. This is the ideal place to do it.